Welcome to the Creator Series. This series is brought to you by SocialBook and was made with small content creators in mind. These videos will cover a range of different topics, and I'll share my tips and advice on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and also free tools and resources that you can use to make the most out of your content. Hi everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we're going to talk about becoming a brand ambassador, everything that it entails, and also how to keep all of your links organized, your discount codes, affiliate links, all in one place, because that will be very important as you take on more collaborations and sponsorship opportunities. So we're talking about legit brand ambassador programs in this video. Usually brands will reach out to creators to become brand ambassadors after they've done a few collaborations together, and if the brand thinks that the creator is a good fit in terms of style, the way they convey the message, personality, perspective, creativity, and being a brand ambassador is really cool because the brand is basically trusting you to represent them, and this is usually a long-term partnership. So depending on your contract with the brand, this could last from 6 months to a year or even longer. Creators will be responsible for producing content with this brand. The brand could ask creators to make YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or even TikTok videos. You're getting paid for your content, and on top of that, you're earning commission for every purchase made through your link. Obviously, it's very difficult for small creators to become brand ambassadors of really big brands, but if that is your goal, with time and dedication, you can definitely get there. I think the main thing is to foster a good relationship with the brand, so have open communication, be responsive, reply to messages and emails on time, meet deadlines, ask questions. Just like any job, you want to do things that make it easier for the both of you so that the whole collaboration is just smoother, and just work with brands with products or services that you're really excited to use, that you think are really cool, because it will definitely show in your content. And I think brands can sense like genuine excitement and appreciate the enthusiasm. So once you become a brand ambassador, or once you've had multiple collaborations, keeping track of everything can become stressful. Keeping track of the collaborations you've done, the promotions that are going on, all of your affiliate links and affiliate codes, and you just want to streamline everything so that it's easy for your audience to access. SocialBook offers a free link page or landing page where you can organize all of your links conveniently in one place. You can have your own personalized URL. You're able to customize it to your liking and make everything just more aesthetically pleasing for your audience to look at. On top of your affiliate links and codes, you can also add your other social media platforms, your latest video, your shop, your blog. You can basically link anything that you could possibly want. SocialBook allows you to make your own bio link page for free. Their link in bio service is called LinkOne. To access it, go onto socialbook.io and make an account. Then you can choose your custom URL. Hurry and get your own custom URL before it's taken. You can add a title to your page and also a note to yourself, like if you have multiple link pages and different templates and want to know which one is which. So you can add a profile picture of yourself or anything you want. There's also an image library for you to choose from. And there's so many categories. There's also elements with image vectors and cute icons, which is really cool because you don't have to search for it, save it to your computer, and upload it. It's just extra steps and it takes up space on your computer. And just like the custom thumbnail maker, you can use these images for your profile picture or your background. And you can also upload pictures from your computer. You can also add a bio to your profile. I'm just copying it from my YouTube channel. This could be a description about yourself or your channel or about the content that you make. In the social media tab, here you can add all of your social media handles from YouTube, your email, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. These are the default social media handles, but you can also add your other accounts such as your Twitch account, SoundCloud, Etsy shop, LinkedIn, etc. I do wish that you could change the order of the icons and also the colors and the style of the icons, and I hope they implement that in the future. In the link section, you can add any external links. This could be to a blog post or a YouTube video, even affiliate links, which is what I mainly use it for. I like to add all of my promotions and discount codes here so that it's organized and it's laid out nicely for anyone who's interested. You can add a thumbnail image from stock photos to elements to emojis. And you can also add an animation to the button, which is super cute. It's really useful to add animations to buttons when you want to catch the attention of your audience. And it just adds some character and a little fun. You can hide any links that aren't ready yet, and you can show them when it's ready to be shared. In the featured post section, you can share up to 3 videos on your link page. I like to share my most recent videos. And this really helps to bring traffic to your channel and for your videos to gain some exposure outside of YouTube. You can change the order of how the videos appear. I do wish you could change the appearance of the post, but hopefully we're able to do this in the near future. In the affiliate link section, you can connect your Instagram business account or regular Instagram account. And basically you can share your Instagram posts on your link page with affiliate links integrated into them. And it's really cool because they've integrated AI recognition. And this is mostly for clothing, so if you're posting an outfit of the day photo, the AI will do its best to recognize where the clothes are from and list each item automatically on the link page. And you will automatically earn commission through that link if a viewer makes a purchase. It will show the price of the product as well as how much commission you would be making per purchase. And of course it's not going to be perfect, but I think it's cool to find similar items in case your item's discontinued or maybe you don't remember where it's from. You can always add your own listing. You mark the item on your Instagram post and you can add a photo of the product name, a link to purchase the product. I would recommend using affiliate links. If you're looking to monetize your content, this is the best place to do it because viewers can shop directly through your Instagram post if they're interested in the product. You can also add the price of the product and a description. And this is not limited to just fashion. You can add links to all types of products, tech products, services, Amazon finds, any affiliate links that correlate with the post. In the style tab, you can edit your background. You can either have a solid color, a gradient of colors, you can upload an image, or even use a video as a background. I think if you find a good video background that matches your aesthetic and overall theme of your link page, it can look really dynamic and eye-catching. Here you can edit the appearance of your buttons depending on the theme of your profile page. You can make it really simple, so just a shape with a solid color or just an outline, or you can even add a shadow. You can choose the shape of the button depending on how round you want the corners to be. You can customize the button color, the button font color, the color of the button when you hover over it, and the color of the text when you hover over it. You can change the font weight on the button, and if you do decide to add a shadow, you can choose how feathered or harsh you want the shadow to be, as well as the color of the shadow. They have 1.3K fonts that are free for you to use. I like that you don't have to search for a font and download it to your computer. And I also like that it gives you a preview of how the font looks before you choose it, instead of just having like a long list of font names, so you can get an idea of how the font looks and if it fits the theme of your link page. So if you're having trouble figuring out how you want your link page to look, they do have some themes for you to choose from. You can use these templates as a starting point and tweak it to your liking, or you can start completely from scratch, whatever works the best for you. Your link page will also provide analytics, and this is really useful to see where your traffic is coming from, what links are getting clicked on the most. Since this shows what your viewers are interested in, it can help to give you an idea of the content that is optimized well and the content that can be optimized better. So after messing around with the customization, my link page is ready. Here's a preview of how it looks. It's mostly optimized for mobile, but here's how it looks on a desktop. And that is it for this video. I hope that it helped you understand what a brand ambassador program entails and inspires you to make your own bio link page to organize all of your links and add your own unique style to it. If you would like to create your own LinkOne page, I will leave my sign up link up on the screen and in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!